Shemai! Welcome to Play Opera! Fresh from exploring the forest, we are off on our summer holiday!
Hurrah!
We know that most of us can't get away to far-flung holiday destinations. We can't get on a plane, go to a beach or visit new countries. But that's okay. Who needs to go globe-trotting anyway? It's far too expensive. And better still, Play Opera is going to take us on a holiday trip of a lifetime through music. So grab your sun hat, a pair of sunglasses to make you look cool, and let's get in that holiday vibe. For those of you who watched Play Opera Season 1, if you didn't, Episode 3 is where it's at. Our soprano performed a piece from the opera Carmen, which is set in sunny Seville in Spain. You can almost feel the sun through the music. But I think we need to go on a big time holiday, don't you? A super-sized holiday to the US of A. So let's jet off to America and meet the cowgirls and boys and learn how to do the boisterous dancing of the rodeo. 1, 2, 3, here we go! A piece called Hoedown, a fast and furious piece written in 1942 by American composer Aaron Copland for his ballet Rodeo. Hoedown is one of the 4 movements from his ballet suite. It takes us to the land of cowgirls and cowboys living in the far-flung American West, where there are lots of open plains, hay, and more horses than you can count on 2 hands. A hoedown is often a dance competition, and in Copland's ballet, the main cowgirl finds herself competing with other girls from nearby cities for the attention of the local cowboys, in particular, the head wrangler. After all that dancing, I think it's time for some serious relaxation. So let's head off to the breathtaking sunsets and awe-inspiring landscapes of India. Our soprano Angharad and mezzo-soprano Sian will lead us through this gorgeously scrumptious flower duet from the opera Lakmé. As you hear the smooth melody, you'll be able to imagine the sweet smells of the flowers surrounding you being carried on a delicate summer breeze. Was by French composer Leo Delibes. Written in 1883, it's about Indian girl Lakmé and British soldier Gerald and their love for each other blossoming while two very different cultures collide. In the duet you just heard, Lakmé and her servant Malika are going down to the river surrounded by flowers to gather petals. They sing of collecting jasmine and they take off their jewellery to go for a lazy summer swim. It's at this point that the British soldier sees Lakmé for the first time.
Ooh.
I hope you've enjoyed jetting around the world on your play opera holiday and that you're enjoying the summer holidays before we go back to school in September.
Ooh.
Don't worry if you're ever stuck for entertainment, because we all know that when it's the summer holidays, it's bound to pour down with rain. To save you from any boredom, we'll be back next week with an opera story that's inspired by the fairy tale Cinderella. So we'll be jet setting from the beach to the ball. Do you see what I did there? So don't forget your party outfits and your ball gowns. And in the meantime, why not log on to this website to make some holiday props? Right, I'm off to find my Prince Charming. Bye for now.